Okay, go.
Hello, today we're going to Cabazon outlet. We have some items to return from my brother. It was too small, and of course we'll go to look around to see the good deals we can have or not.
And I need some home wares, things for the house, and then we'll see what's gonna happen. So we will bring you there, we will check it out together, and then we will show you how many percent of discounts that you're gonna get. So stay tuned. So right now it's too windy, but we're still here, of course. We're hungry right now, but because we saw that Prada doesn't have a long line, so we're gonna go here first. Look at this, nice, huh? This one too is nice. So of course we went to House of Bao, and look what they have. Oh my god. We ordered, of course, dumplings, shumai, pork barbecue bun, and here we go. Ta-da! Dumplings and pork bun. Yum! Welcome to Desert Hills Outlet Mall. Gucci's there, Prada. There's my baby. Let's go. Here we go. We're inside.
Regarde, là on est chez Frette et c'est un truc de lit qu'on aime bien, regarde par exemple. Mais il n'y a pas de réduction non plus. Le set c'est 1000 $. Je vois pas l'intérêt de venir conduire 100 km pour aucune réduction.
Yeah. And of course, here we go again at the Gucci store. That's why we're not gonna go there. Look at the line. Now it will take 3 hours. Good luck with that. Hello guys. So we're here, 80% off Calvin Klein, and then there you go. Let's see how much is this. This is the one that we have, cotton stretch, and then this is $45 and 80% off. Ooh. You have 50% off for all this.
J'étais un peu en train de bugger sur le fait que ce soit coton, tu m'as dit que tu voulais pas, mais par contre c'est moins 80%, donc j'ai envie de dire c'est pas grave si ça dure pas très longtemps. Ils sont normalement à $49, 45, donc ça revient à peu près à $10 pour les 3, donc ça reste toujours un bon prix, c'est $3 l'unité. Combien ça coûte un truc comme ça en Équateur?
20% off. And then this one is, let me see. This one is 32 minus 20%. That's not a good deal, but this one is. So we're buying some. This one is 39, so it's like 19.50. This is 50% off. This one we already have this. This one is $32, so $17. And then the good thing about this one is this is sleepwear. I think it's dry fit or something like that. So yeah. They also have 50% off on this one, the classic one, and this is, how much is this one? $35. Hold on, there we go. So $35, $17.50. Nice. We go here. Ta-da! $99 for Mother's Day. Not bad, no? This is leather. And then this is canvas. Not bad. Oh yeah, Mother's Day is coming, so they do have this send mama surprise packages. This one is $319. with this one. This one, I love this. You already know that. And this one. Oh wow, look at the color. Love the color. Oh, look at this. AirPods Pro. And then this one is 222 for this package. Nice. Hello. 203 for everything. Nice, huh? Look at the color. Then this one is 250 with this cigarette case. Just kidding. Not bad. And then they have a 60% off with this. How much is this one? Let's see. How much is it? So this one are 288 minus 60% off. Not bad. And they have a lot of colors. Oh, magnetic ones. $25. Nice. $65. Oh wow, this one is nice. Oh yeah. Oh, really simple and is leather. Let's see how much is it. $65 off.
No.
65% off. Sorry.
So the regular price it's
$328.
$328.
Hey, it's the prices are here. It's $598. 65% off.
Sac à dos par exemple qui est avec vinyle sur les côtés je crois. Ah non il est tout en cuir. Et donc du coup il est normalement à $598 et il a une réduction de 65%, donc c'est pas mal. Hein.
This one looks like the Christopher backpack. How much is that?
$550 minus 60%.
Oh wow.
So it's like $280.
$280. And then they have this one too. $99 for the shoes. This one actually $69. Check what the price of this one, baby. The bota. $98. Oh wow, not bad. Girls, come here already. This one, $100. $130.
50, so it's 75.
75 for
Mini
that
kit.
little. Yay! How much is the box? Oh, they have Apple cases, AirPods.
150 minus 60%.
Oh wow!
So it's like $60.
Yeah,
Something like that.
it was nice. Say goodbye now.
Thank you for watching this video again. I hope you enjoyed like us the sun and the amazing discounts in the stores. We'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and forget that instantly. Bye bye.
Bye.